What is up, YouTube? My name is Rabbi Bright Jones and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to create a perspective text in Photoshop without rasterizing the text. But without further ado, intro. Okay, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to create a perspective text as I said earlier on. So first choose your text tool, click on the image real quick and type what you want to type. So I'm going to type motor, M-O-T-O-R. Then click on enter. So after clicking on enter, you scale the text up just to fit what you want to do. Then after doing that, we don't want to lose the text so that we can't edit it or anything. So you come to the layer side, right click on the motor text and convert to smart object. Yes, so after converting to smart object, you hit Ctrl T to transform the text. Then you right click and select any way you want to distort or perspective or whatever, any way you want to do. So I'll click on distort and do what I want to do with it. So after doing that, I'm just going to click on enter and we have the text here. But I want to change it to bike now. So this is what I'm going to do. You see, we converted it into a smart object. So we're going to double click on the thumbnail here and it's going to open in a different page. Then you can double click on the text and just type in what you want to type. So I'm going to type in bike. So after typing in bike, I'm going to click on Ctrl S to save what we did here in the image. And now as you can see, instead of moto we have bike here, and it's as simple as anything. So I'm going to leave this image in a link in the description so you guys can also try it out. Yes, so that'll be it for today's tutorial. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video. Bye bye.